Okay, to make our Massa de Pimentao Portuguese pepper sauce, first we're going to start by melting 1/4 cup of butter. Low heat. Okay, our butter is melted. Now we're going to put in an equal amount of flour. That would be 1/4 cup. Stir it up. Mix the butter and the flour together. What we're going to do is we're going to make a dark or brown roux. There are 3 colors of roux. There's white roux, where your fat, which is usually butter or oil, is mixed with flour until they're basically just mixed, and cooked just a little bit to get rid of the floury taste. Then there's a blonde roux, where the fat, which is the butter and the flour, are cooked until you have a light golden color. And then there is a brown roux, which is often used in gumbos. And with that one, you cook the fat and the flour until it's darker. And we're going to go for something that's somewhere between blonde and brown. And what you have to do with this is let it cook on low heat. Keep an eye on it. Stir it frequently. You do not want it to burn, okay? But you don't have to stir it constantly. But you have to stir it pretty often, okay? Okay, now we have a brown roux, right? Nice brown color, all right? And now what I'm going to do is whisk in the reduced chicken stock. This was chicken stock that's been reduced by half. So you started out with we need a cup here, so you start off with 2 cups of chicken stock, reduce it to 1 cup. Why do you do that? Intensifies flavor. Make sure you use unsalted stock, either that you made yourself or that you bought unsalted. Because if you use salted stock and you reduce it by half, it's going to get a lot saltier. Okay, then we're going to whisk in the cream. And the mustard. If I don't mention some of the quantities, they're all in the notes. Dijon mustard, whisk it in, and then we're going to add some freshly ground black pepper. We are not adding any salt. Why? Because the Massa de Pimentao paste, pepper paste, is very salty. Okay, it's going to be adding salt that way. Whisk that in. Now, what we want to do is bring this to a boil. And bring to a boil doesn't mean boil. If you watch my other lessons, you'll know that bring to a boil means just bring it to a boil so that it's just starting to bubble, and then reduce it to a simmer. And we want to do that until this thickens up a bit. So just bring to a boil. Okay, our sauce is just starting to bubble around the edges. That's bring to a boil. Now we're going to reduce the heat to a simmer and let it cook until it thickens up a bit. I'm going to give it 10 minutes, see how it's doing. No, let's do 5 minutes and see how it's doing. Okay, it's because it's already thickening up some now. Okay, our sauce thickened up nicely after about 5 minutes. And now we're going to add the Massa de Pimentao, okay? And I want to get it all out of here. I'm actually fairly close with the measurement on this because it's very salty, so I don't want to use too much, all right? And then we're going to add beef stock to thin it. Now, why are we doing it this way? Why didn't we just put the beef stock in with the chicken stock? The reason is we wanted the sauce to thicken up, right? And then we wanted to thin it to the consistency that we wanted. All right, so if I put it all in, if I put all the stock in, the beef stock and the chicken stock at the same time, it would have all thickened up, and then I would have needed something else to thin it. Okay, so what we've done is we've thinned the sauce with beef stock and added the Massa de Pimentao. Now let's taste it. Very nice. I don't think it needs any more salt. It doesn't need any more thinning. Okay. So this sauce is ready to go. Now you might think that it looks a little maybe reddish, but we're going to be using it with my beef bites lesson. And when you put beef, cooked beef in with this sauce, everything gets brown. Beautiful. Okay. So this is Massa de Pimentao Portuguese pepper sauce. You can see photos of a dish using this sauce at my Instagram, which is at Chef's Apprentice Cook Like a Pro. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.